Alright everybody, this is Friday, April 15th, Good Friday. I ordered this from Cult TV Man a couple days ago. Didn't expect to see it until maybe next week, and it came in the mail today. It's from Moebius Models. It's the 1/8 scale Wonder Woman. The original Wonder Woman, Lynda Carter. It's got great artwork on the front here. And the sides are about the same on the sides of the box. The back here, it shows Wonder Woman, and there's a real good likeness to her. Classic TV series. Guess you can have her in two different poses. There's the other one here with her rope. And it says it right there. Display options. And it's the lasso. And then down here it gives you a little brief history of Wonder Woman and being played by Lynda Carter. And like I said, from Moebius. So let me go ahead and pause the camera, open this up, and take a look at it. And I'll be right back. Alright everybody, back on Wonder Woman. I got the box open. Good size kit for 1/8 scale. See here. I'll take everything out of the bag so we can get a better look. Here's her lasso. Pretty cool. Here's her front and back side. Like I said, I'll take all this out. Here's the stand. Looks pretty cool. And this is her head, her face. It's all in here. So let me go ahead. Here's looks like maybe decals and instructions. So let me go ahead and pause again and get this all out on my bench, and I'll be right back. Okay everybody, back on Wonder Woman. I got it on my workbench, and here's her boots and her legs. Boots got detail, which is nice. And I may build this soon. Take a break from all the models I have on my workbench now, which I'm not. I'm working on a couple of them with lighting, but I could probably maybe do this in between. Very cool. There's her front and her back side, and see the detail. Very cool. Her back. Very cool. Here's the stand that she'll be on. Very cool. Here's her back of her head, her hair. Very cool. Her face does resemble her. Take a look at it right here. Very cool. Another lasso. I guess you have an option with the two. Her hands. Very cool. Here's her arms, the back of her head, or not back of her head, the front. Very cool. And those sparkling things that come out of her wrist, probably, I think. You can have that option. There's her hands and her arms. Very cool. Here's the other lasso. I'm going to keep it in the bag. There's the decals and the instructions, so I'll go ahead and pause the camera, clear this off my workbench, and we'll look at that next. So I'll be right back. Alright, back on Wonder Woman. Here's the instructions. Here's the decals. Get a bunch of stars. Camera pick that up. They're all separate. Very cool. Get quite a few. Maybe I'll have some left over. These down here are for her wrists. Get 4 of those. That's what you get for the decals. Instructions. Hopefully I can open all this up with one hand. It's all black and white. Step 1 will be the head, torso, and the legs. See right here. See here. Four is the arms. Five will be the body. Pretty good look at it. Very cool. Not much for steps. 6 would be final. 7 will be your options. Very cool. I guess you can have her like this, or like this. Very cool. Back side shows the paints: light flesh, blue, brunettes, white, gold, red. So you want to pause that. I probably should have most colors here in stock. Here it shows you like where exactly the decal goes on that what's it called, the bracelet. Got Wonder Woman right here. Looks pretty good. And all the stars. Like I said, you might have some left over. I think there's a star already on this, on her head here, on the front of the model. I think I showed that, but I know that's there with that star. And there you go right here. It's pretty cool. So it looks like it'd be a decent, fun challenge to do, work on Wonder Woman here. If you don't have it, pick it up. I got this from Cult TV Man, and he still has them available. So I'm going to call this a wrap on 1/8 scale Wonder Woman. This is skill level 3. So I'll go ahead and call this a wrap on 1/8 scale Wonder Woman from Moebius Models. Everybody be safe out there, and I'll talk with everybody later.